Would you believe me if I told you can get 1000 app or game downloads in just 1 week through word of mouth? Probably no, but let me explain. When it comes to the app marketing, one approach stands out. That is word of mouth. It's the most powerful way to drive downloads, but it's often overlooked. Today, I want to show you how you can use word of mouth to get hundreds of downloads. Getting your app noticed in the crowded market is tough. With millions of options, it's easy to get lost. You can have the best app, but it's pointless if nobody knows about it. You work hard to create something unique, but it's not getting attention. I've been there and I know it's very frustrating. You are not alone. The many developers are facing the same challenges, and today I want to try to help you. To get your app noticed, you need a bit different approach. You need to try to build a community, create a buzz, and get people talk about it. That's where word of mouth comes in. So how to use word of mouth to increase app downloads? Let's break it down into the steps. First, create shareable content. It doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to connect with your audience. Shareable content can take many forms. Think of something that aligns with your app purpose and interests of your users. It could be a funny video, a meme that tap into the trends, a social media challenge that get people involved. The goal is simple. Get people talking about your app, engaging with it, them sharing it with their network. Next step is to give people reason to share. This could be done through incentives like in-app rewards for referrals by creating content that are so engaging for other people to share it with friends. Apps like Duolingo or fitness apps show how people love sharing actually their progress within the game. Can you add some similar feature that encourages users to share their journey? Another important point is to leverage existing communities. Find where your target users are, whether it's Reddit or Facebook groups, Discord servers or niche groups. Engage with those communities, authentically offering value and subtly promoting your app as a solution to their needs. The more you integrate into those communities, the more word of mouth will spread. You can also work with influencers or micro-influencers. They have trusted following and they can give your app the credibility it needs. Partnering with influencers who genuinely like your app can lead really to powerful word-of-mouth marketing. Lastly, consider timing. A well-timed launch or promotion can make a big difference. Try to align your efforts with relevant events, trends, or holidays that can boost your message. Remember, word-of-mouth success doesn't happen overnight, but when it's done right, it's a powerful way to grow your app and reach millions of downloads. One of the best ways to drive word-of-mouth downloads is by encouraging user referrals. Referrals work the best when there is a strong incentive for users to share your app. This can be done through rewards, exclusive content, or bragging rights. Let's discuss incentives first. People are more likely to refer your app if they are getting something in return. You can offer in-app currency discounts or special events that can be only unlocked by referring others. For example, a gaming app might give players bonus likes or points for every friend they invite into the app. A fitness app could reward users with free premium features or extended trial periods. The key is to ensure the incentive is relevant and valuable so users can feel motivated to share. Another great effective strategy to introduce rewards that benefit both the referrer and the new users is rewards. This creates a win-win situation. Think about how Uber or Dropbox grew. They offered rewards for both parties like free rides or the extra storage. This system encourages initial rewards and creates a cycle where new users are motivated to refer others. You can also gamify the process by adding the leaderboard for the top referrers. People love competition and displaying a ranking with users who had the most tap and the most spirit. It's really easy. You can offer exclusive rewards for the top spots like early access to the new features, VIP treatment, or tangible prizes like gift cards. This not only encourages more referrals but also keep users engaged with your app. When it's done right, referral programs can really be powerful drivers of the downloads. You turn your existing users into marketing force, and as they spread the word, your app grows. So how do you implement this? Keep the referral process simple and easy. Users should be able to invite friends with just a few taps, whether through social media, messaging, apps, or email. The easier you make it, the more people will participate. Don't forget to promote your referral program within the app through notifications, emails, or pop-ups. Remember, people trust recommendations from friends and family more than traditional advertising. By incentivizing users to spread the word, you are using the most powerful and authentic form of marketing, which is word of mouth. Another strategy is to create sense of the exclusivity around your app. This could be a beta testing, making users feel part of special group. Just take a look how Valve is doing now with Deadlock. You might say, okay, Valve is huge, and I will agree. But you can use the same tactics to promote your game. You can also use user-generated content to show social media proof. People are more likely to try your app if they see other one is using it and loving it. Let's look on one additional app that did this really well, Pokemon Go. Everyone knows about it. It achieved millions of downloads through word of mouth alone. The key into success was building community and encouraging users to share their experiences. People shared screenshots and told their friends about the game. It became a viral phenomenon. Pokemon Go also encouraged user referrals. It had a system where users can invite friends and earn rewards, increasing engagement and driving downloads. The app created urgency with limited time events and exclusive content, keeping users coming back and sharing it with friends. What stands out about Pokemon's success in ability to create movement? It wasn't just an app, it was more a cultural thing. That's what you should aim for. Create an app that resonates with people, excites them, and makes them want to share. Word of mouth is really powerful marketing strategy that can drive millions of downloads. By creating shareable content, encouraging user referrals, and fostering exclusivity, you can get people talking about your app and sharing it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you had similar experiences with word of mouth app downloads, please leave a comment below. If you want to learn more about marketing strategies, check my other videos and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.